Hi guys, I wanted to show you a free resource that I made for those looking to learn repair, where to start with their cell phone repair business. So those of you who are familiar, where to buy parts, how to get training on things, maybe this website isn't as much for you. I'm going to keep growing this. There's nothing on here that's paid by any means. It's simply just a free resource. And I'm going to continue to grow this. As I've met with several owners of repair shops or maybe accessory shops that are looking into get into repair, they're just not sure where to begin. They know they need parts, they know they need to learn how to fix things, um, and a lot of companies just don't know where to begin. Or this can be an individual as well. So, just wanted to show you what this is and what it's not. A couple different tabs here: repair training. I just list several resources. I mean, there's infinite amount online. You can go with any number of them, but I've listed some of the most common ones that we've come across. iFixit, Cellbotics, Wise, YouTube. It sounds funny to say YouTube, but there's amazing resources there. But you do have to be careful, like anything else. You're going to have several good videos and several not great ones, maybe teaching you bad habits, or maybe you just simply don't have an understanding of the part that you're replacing. So maybe you're watching a video where they're replacing a part one way when you really need to be doing it another way. So again, just a free resource, a couple here, and through this, some of these links you're going to find lots more. Parts and tools, another big one in the industry. There's a couple major players, Mobile Centrics, Mobile Defenders, Injured Gadgets. These are really popular ones. Some information on the Apple OEM repairs, Amazon, eBay, that kind of thing. Brief snippet on tools. And then repair operations. If you're looking to, do this professionally or with customers in any sort of way, at least a little bit of a guide from my perspective, being in the industry for about 10 years, working face to face with customers. A couple tips there for sure. Again, this is my viewpoint, my opinion. There's many ways to do this better and correctly depending on what you're trying to do, but just my perspective. iPhone back glass repair is a very popular thing that's asked of me, so I've included some different ways to replace back glass, a couple different resources for lasers if you're looking into that, some of the processes. I love this gentleman's videos, Mr. Phone Doctor and eTech Parts. It just explains it so well and very clean videos. Highly, highly recommend. So that's why I've included these. So you can go there and see how it's done. So hope you guys have enjoyed this. If you want me to add more, please let me know. There's a contact section down below or in the video itself. But I hope to grow this, and I hope it helps individuals, stores, technicians begin to learn how to repair phones, where to get parts, and start with a free resource for you. So thanks for watching. Bye-bye.